So to begin with, today I would like to demonstrate the previous exercise, previous videos, last exercise, that was chin tucks, as there was some kind of confusion. And later we'll proceed with the new exercises for the day. So for the chin tucks exercise, what you have to do is sit in any comfortable and relaxed position and simply draw your neck behind, as if someone is pulling or sucking your head behind, as if some force is pulling you behind. Okay, so I'm sitting in erect and straight posture, and simply draw your neck behind. The muscles of the neck are going to work in this, and two fingers over here, if you keep, it will be a feedback for you of gently drawing your neck behind. आपको सिर्फ नेक के मसल्स को टाइटन करना है, जो पीछे के मसल्स है, और उन्हें पीछे की तरफ कोई ऐसे सक कर रहा है, खींच रहा है कोई फोर्स, ऐसा आपको करना है. Let me show it to you in a different angle. So I'm sitting erect and simply drawing my neck behind. This is the manner in which you're supposed to do. Hold it for 3 seconds and relax, and repeat this for 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, relax. 1, 2, 3, relax. 1, 2, 3, relax. इसमें पीछे के जो मसल्स हैं वो टाइटन हो रहे हैं. They are pulling your neck behind, and you'll feel the stretch in the posterior muscles as well. So the next exercise for today is a posterior group of muscle stretch, in which you have to place your hand on your head and right in front, so that the forearm is in front of your nose. Okay, and gently pull down your neck. Look down and try to touch your chin to your sternum bone, that is the upper part of the chest, and feel the stretch in the posterior neck region and also in the upper back region. It is a very gentle stretch, and the pain that you have in the stretch during the stretch is soothing pain. Like, you can differentiate it from the irritating pain which you have due to some pathology or anything. तो आपको ये जो पेन फील हो रहा है स्ट्रेच की वजह से, दैट इज बिकॉज द मसल्स which are tight or which are not being exercised since a long period of time are being stretched and pulled in a manner which is giving you a soothing effect. Okay, so hold this stretch for 10 seconds and repeat it for 3 times, followed by the next exercise, which is neck isometric exercise for strengthening of the neck muscles. To begin with it, we have to place the left hand on the left side of the head and push your hand with the help of your head. Notice my hand is not moving and I'm not allowing it to shift. I'm keeping it steady and firm and just pressing the hand with the help of my neck, muscles and head. You can see the muscles pop up because I'm using the muscles. This manner you have to do it for the opposite side as well. Hold the contraction, that is utilization of the muscle. Hold it for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax, and repeat it for 3 times. Followed by the anterior muscles strengthening, in which you have to place your hand in front on the forehead and push the hand in the forward direction. You can see the muscles popping up. Again, repeat it for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do it for 3 times. If you do not find any relief even after following these simple and easy exercises, then the pathology, that is the cause behind the pain, could be different. So I advise you to seek medical help for that case. Also, these exercises are advisable for those who have not had any medical conditions or complications of the neck region so far. If you have had any, then kindly seek your doctor or advisable person and then follow the same exercises. Also, these exercises are best for sedentary lifestyle, people who will follow sedentary lifestyle, and also for those who love and enjoy doing exercises. As we all are aware about the neck movement exercises, and we have been doing it since childhood. हमें स्कूल में PT पीरियड में सिखाया करते थे और करवाते थे. the sideways, left and right, up and down, as well as this. So continue doing these exercises, and while you're doing these exercises, focus on your breathing. So today we have revised the previous exercise, one of them, which is very important because as we have a tendency of a forward head posture, which is our neck is always in this manner, it because we don't exercise and our activities of our daily living are more involved of in which we have to keep our head down or look forward. So हमें वो एक्सरसाइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे नेक के लिए जिसमें हम पीछे करते हैं so that the optimum and proper posture is maintained. So keep doing that exercise followed by the new exercises that we have learned today. One, the posterior muscle stretch, the sideways and strengthening, and the forward strengthening of the muscles. So these were the exercises for today. If you experience any kind of pain during the exercises or after the session, then kindly stop doing these exercises immediately and take rest followed by any medical advice as soon as possible. And the tip for the day will be maintaining an erect posture. As we all are during this period of lockdown and quarantine, we are working from home. We need to maintain an erect posture while working, and the environment that we used to work in the office. So try keeping your laptop or your computer at the level of your eyes and sit on a chair upright. For sitting for longer durations comfortably, you can make use of pillows. You can place a pillow while sitting down under your buttocks and also behind your back so that you can just relax and sit in a comfortable posture. So constantly remind yourself of maintaining an erect spine, keeping the spine straight, and also your neck at the eye level. So your laptop should be in the straight right in front of your eyes. So well, I've tried summing up all the basic exercises that you can do for neck pain. These exercises can be done by people who are having neck pain and also people who are perfectly all right and doing good. It will help the people, those who are working from home and those who are belong to a corporate sector. So like you can take breaks in between and follow these stretches so that you can relax and get back to your work again. So do let me know how do you feel in the comment section below later after doing these exercises and the stretches. Thank you.